Smriti Mandhana and Palash Muchal's wedding hit a pause after her father's illness. But even after his discharge, the families haven't announced a new date. Then came the twist. Smriti and Team India wiped their engagement posts. Overnight, the internet slipped into full detective mode, and rumors of Palash allegedly cheating have erupted across social media. Adding fuel to the blaze, RJ Mahavash has stirred the internet by cracking jokes about cheating and infidelity just as the rumors peak. She dropped a video slyly needling the chatter, saying,
मर्द भी ना बड़ी प्यारी चीज होता है.
She continued, "Look, I don't know what's true or false, but when it's my wedding, I'm going to launch my groom on the internet a week before. And if my guy is out there in someone else's DMs, girls, please come and tell me. Save me, friends." The video blew up instantly, drawing heavy backlash from users who called it tone deaf and cruel given the couple's ongoing situation. One netizen wrote, "How are people getting so insensitive these days? Joking on such things? Calling it tea for their own entertainment, especially when she has literally represented our country and got us a World Cup." Another shared, "She's a horrible person and this tells that." The November 23rd wedding of Palash and Smriti was postponed due to Smriti's father's health issues. But what followed was pure chaos online. Rumors erupted, including claims that Palash may have cheated on her. Through it all, the duo has kept quiet, offering no response to the swirling speculation.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic screen magazine. It is I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that, he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipat.
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है.
गीत एंड आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है. फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना. आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे.
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as a more of a glamorous role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. You know, किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing. You guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.